If you ever notice that overall your computer is running a little slow, or specifically a standard program is running a little slow, you might be missing an update that was pushed out by the district or by Windows. You can always find those updates by clicking on your Start menu on your Windows desktop. From Start, we're going to click on that universal settings, the gear, the settings button. Once settings opens up, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can also search by find a setting. You can search for updates or go down to Update and Security at the bottom. Once you open Update and Security, the Windows Update window will open. If I click on Windows Update, it's going to start to search for any updates that I need to install. Now, these updates are automatically downloaded to the computer unless you have a setting to pause that download, but you need to approve that install. All you'll need to do is scroll down to the bottom of your update list. And here at the bottom, you'll find the Install Now button. You want to make sure that you click that Install Now button. Once you've done that, it's going to install each of those individual updates. As it's installing, you'll see a percentage. That'll tell you what percent has been installed, how much of the program is up and running. Now, in many cases, these updates can be everything from a change or an update in security. It can be a more effective or more efficient line of code that might run things a little quicker, or it could be a patch to fix an error that was happening in the system or happening in a specific program. As those updates start to install, that screen's going to start to change. They're going to pull off your list as they install. Notice that many of them are pending a restart. After you do an install, you need to wait for all of that installation to complete, and then you will need to do a restart, as many of your updates will require some changes that happen at the beginning of that line of code that happens every time you restart a computer. Restarting your computer in general is just a good, safe, daily routine to get into. Once you have all of these installed, you can click Restart Now, or you can schedule that restart. If you schedule your restart, it will pick a time or a date in the future based maybe around hours you're not working, maybe during a lunch, maybe during an access.